guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 10 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now let's read the problem statement. So today we are going to solve problem number 349, that is intersection of two arrays. In this problem we have given two integer arrays, nums1 and nums2, and we have to return an array of their intersection. Okay, so it simply means that we have to find the common elements between these two arrays and we have to return them, but our result must be unique. Like here in this example you can see that 2 appears 2 times, and in nums2 2 is also there 2 times, right? But we don't need to return 2 times, we have to just return the unique result. Okay, so we can just return 2 here. Okay, same way in nums array example 2, this is our nums array, nums1 array, and this is our nums2 array. Okay, so what are the common elements between these two arrays? One is 4, right? 4 is there, 9 is also there in both arrays, and yeah, that's all. So we can return the output as 9 4 or 4 9. Okay, so order doesn't matter here. Okay, so here you may return the result in any order. Okay, so since we are dealing with the unique result, right, we have to give just the unique result. So let's use hash set for that. So let's remove the duplicate elements in our nums array, right? We can do that. So let's create one hash set of integers that we need to create. Okay, hash set of integer set is equal to new hash set. Okay, so this is done. We have created our hash set. Now after that let's store the result in one list. So let's use one array list of integers. List is equal to new array list. Okay, this is done. Now after that let's add the unique elements in the set. Okay, so let's go over our nums1 array first. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than nums1 dot length I plus plus set dot add nums1 of I. Okay, so this is how we are adding the elements, unique elements in our set. Okay, so this is done. After that let's iterate over our second array. So I'm going to write like this: for int I is equal to 0, I is less than nums2 dot length I plus plus. Okay, so now here I'm going to check if my set, okay, if my hash set contains any element of nums2 I. Okay, so for that I'm going to write if set dot contains, if set dot contains nums2 of I. Okay, if my set contains any of this element of nums2, my set in which we have nums1 element, right? So if my set contains this num2 of I, this number, then in that case let's add this number in my list. Okay, list dot add nums2 of I. Okay, so here I have stored the common element which I find from nums1 and nums2. Okay, so I have added that element. Now after that I don't need that element for my future result, like set dot remove nums2 of I. Okay, so from the set I have removed that element. Okay, so this is done. Now after that I have to return the result in an array, right? So for that, let's create one array and let's give the size of our list. New int list dot size. Okay, so this is done. Now let's run one loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than array dot length I plus plus, and inside that array of I is going to be equal to our list dot get. Okay, we are just adding the elements from the list into our array. Okay, so this is done, and in the end we are just going to return the array. That's it, return array. Okay, so now let's run the code. Okay, so all the test cases has been accepted, right? Now let's submit the code. So our solution is accepted and runtime is just 2 milliseconds. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any question, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.